similar size tire to that one down there, I reckon. Hey guys, welcome back. We're at the mounds here. And that's what I mean, we're literally the only ones here. But we're here for a redemption run. We got some fresh snow out here, and she piled up pretty good on the way over. Just give you an idea what the roads are like, neither here nor there. Anyways, but we're gonna get unloaded. Like I say, here for our redemption run. We broke an axle last week, so this week we're just not gonna go through any ice holes, and we're just gonna make sure everything works, and that's gonna be redemption as far as I'm concerned. And this will be a short one, I hope. Said that before, so let's get on to it.
As I come through, I was like, oh, this is a little bit tighter than I thought it was going to be. It's like, maybe I can knock enough trees down, Kurt can get through easier. Yeah, I killed that sucker. My bad.
I put it out of its misery.
Yeah.
fooling around out here on the ice so you can't see nothing, and down I go, and I was chasing after Chris, and man, down did he go. Come over here and check this outfit out. Woo-hoo-hoo. So there's a similar size tire to that one down there, I reckon. Oh man, that would have been awesome to catch as it happened. Man. Chris had a successful self-recovery. Now I'm going to ask him for a hand getting me backwards out of that. I don't really want to try to come forward into whatever lies ahead there. And so I'll just have him get behind me here and do a deed, if he could do that for me. Chris to the rescue and got me out of that hole there, and now Meg's ice surfing. But yeah, there's some big old chunkies in there. I'm surprised it held up to the weight as long as it did before we punched through, but now we're back at her. And in another development, we've lost our heater, so nothing there. That's why we test it, something more to look at. Alright guys, made it back from the mountains and had a good time out there. So I brought the Tahoe in, unloaded it, just to let it thaw off. Nothing really crazy happening with it. But I went ahead and fixed my heat this morning. That was a big thing. And so I just had this butt connector on here. So somebody replaced the pigtail for the resistor on this thing. And they did a horrible job on it. It's all just butt connectors here. So I ended up just taking this guy here and soldering that together, so that was the culprit. So the rest of these, I gave them a good tug and they're at least hooked up, and we'll just see what happens next. So anyways, we've got some heat in this thing again now, or air conditioning, depending on what season it is. But all we went out there to really do was just check out the four-wheel drive and make sure that we got our noises taken care of, and everything sounded good. So this should be up and ready for the next run. I really wish we'd get above freezing so I could wash it. This is going to be a hard winter on the old girl here, but it is what it is. I built it to use it, and I'm not going to let the weather hold me back. So anyways, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.